Hello everyone, welcome to part 119 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to assign Courier name and tracking number to shipped orders, and we'll also send the email to the user with the shipping details. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that we able to update the status and we able to save it, we able to make the history of the order status, and also we able to send the email to the user with the order status. And now we are going to add the tracking details to the orders, and that is possible whenever the admin will update the status to the shipped. Here we are going to open the two fields. One is the tracking number and the another one is the delivery method. Once the admin updates these status, that those status we are going to show here, means those details, those tracking details we are going to show here. Also we are going to send to the email to the user via email. Okay, so we are going to do these both things in this part. Okay, so let's start. First thing is that we are going to modify the form here. Okay, here you can see there is a form, and we are going to modify it like every time if the user will update to ship, then we are going to open two fields here. One is the courier name and another one is the tagging number, and this is possible only via jquery. Okay, that jquery or js we are going to add in custom.js file, in which we are going to add that, like the we are going to add the change event. Okay, every time this order status change, it will check whether the status is shipped. In case of the shipped status, we are going to show those two fields. If the status is not shipped, then we are going to hide those fields. Okay, so let's update the form first of all. In the order details, the order details blade file, that is located at the admin orders folder, and we are going to update this form, this complete form we are going to update. Here you can see. So first thing is that we are going to modify this form, in which we will also add those two columns that we are going to show only if the status is shipped. Okay, so we are going to modify the custom.js file located at the admin as well, so we can add it anywhere. Here I'm going to add it here. Okay, so it is clearly tell that if the status is shipped, then we are going to show these two fields, otherwise we are going to hide. Okay, so I'm going to check it once that it is working fine or not. Like if the admin is going to make the status shipped, then the admin will select the shipped, and here you can see the two fields have come up automatically. One is the courier name and another one is the tracking number. Okay, so the admin is going to fill these both the fields and will click on update. Okay, and we are going to save these details in the order log as well, and also we are going to save this courier name and tracking number in the order table as well. Okay, in the order collection as well. So for that we are going to modify this update order status function that we have created in the last part. Update order status function, in fact we updated this function in the last part. Okay, so this is not the file, this order file is order controller. Here I'm going to open the update order status, and here see, after updating the order status in the order collection, we are going to update the courier name as well as the tagging number to the order collection as well, if they are if these details are there. Okay, if the details are not there, then we are not going to do anything. Both must be there, courier name as well as the tagging number, both must be there, so that we can update it in order collection. Okay, and finally we are going to show these tagging details in the for each loop. Okay, in the order details itself, after saving it, we are going to show here as well in case of shipped. Okay, and also we are going to send in email. I'm going to open the email, order status email, and here if the status, if the tag details are coming, then only we're going to show. So we will also send it here, both courier name as well as the tagging number. After order status, we are going to send in email, so we are going to show in email if these details are given. Here. Okay, so now we are going to check. I'm going to refresh here, and here we are going to click on shipped, and I'm going to add the courier like courier name like FedEx. Okay, and tracking number may be something like this one. I'm going to click on update, and we're going to see if we are able to update these tracking details to this order. See status come. Yes, the status is now shipped, and the courier name is FedEx, and tracking number is this one, and date and time is also given. Okay, so the same thing we must see in email as well. The email has also come, and we can see yes, tracking details is coming here as well. Courier name is FedEx, and tracking number is this one, and the our status has been ordered to ship. Okay, so this email we have sent to the user as well. So the admin updates the details in the admin panel, ship details in the admin panel manually, and the same is going to the user as well. Okay, so so you can update this at your end, and in the next part we will do something else. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye. And one more thing I want to tell you, that please subscribe as well as join the channel. Okay, so please subscribe the channel for more updates. We will be the first one to start this series in Laravel 12, and we are going to do something new. Okay, and you can always join the channel if you want to get the source code. So thank you everyone. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.